Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of an herb that's not only a culinary delight, but also a powerful ally for your brain. A herb that's been praised by neurologists and health experts alike. That's right, we're talking about sage. Known scientifically as Salvia officinalis, this ancient herb has been celebrated for centuries for its medicinal properties. But what makes sage so special, particularly when it comes to brain health? Let's dive in! Imagine a simple herb having the potential to enhance your memory, improve cognitive function, and protect your brain against aging. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stay tuned as we reveal the top reasons why sage is the ultimate brain-boosting herb you need in your life. 1. Enhances memory and cognitive function. Sage is packed with compounds like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, which have neuroprotective properties. Studies show that sage extract can significantly improve performance on memory tests and elevate mood. Imagine adding a sprinkle of sage to your dishes and boosting your brain power. 2. Protects against cognitive decline. With age, maintaining cognitive function becomes crucial. Sage's antioxidant properties help neutralize harmful free radicals, safeguarding brain cells from oxidative stress and damage linked to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. 3. Reduces inflamación. Inflammation in the brain is associated with various disorders. Sage contains anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation, keeping your brain in optimal shape. 4. Provides nutritional richness. Sage is nutrient-dense, offering essential vitamins and minerals like fiber, vitamin K, iron, and vitamin B6. While you might not consume it in large quantities, adding sage to your diet can still contribute to your overall nutrient intake. 5. Versatile culinary uses. One of the best things about sage is its versatility in the kitchen. Whether you're brewing sage tea, enhancing your roasted vegetables, or making a hearty soup, there are endless ways to incorporate this herb into your meals to enjoy its brain-boosting benefits. Interesting fact, sage has a long history dating back to ancient civilizations. Egyptians used it as a fertility drug, and Romans considered it a sacred herb, often using it in ceremonies. Famous philosopher Hippocrates, known as the father of medicine, also praised sage for its healing properties. So there you have it. Sage is much more than just a flavorful herb. Its memory-boosting, cognitive-enhancing, and anti-inflammatory properties make it a must-have in your diet for maintaining optimal brain health. Try out some delicious sage recipes and start experiencing these incredible benefits yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep your mind sharp and your meals flavorful with sage.